In this video, I'll show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. This option does not work inside the Instagram app on some devices. Go to Instagram.com and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture and select Settings. Now go to Account Center, then choose Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control and select Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your Instagram account, then select Deactivate Account. Instagram will ask you to choose a reason and enter your password to confirm. Once you confirm, your account will be temporarily deactivated. Your profile, photos, and comments will be hidden until you log back in. And that's it. That's how you temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Instagram tutorials.